So I'll be showing you how to use the built-in surface level in your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but this should work on pretty much any iPhone. So what you need to do is find and open the Measure app on your iPhone. Now this one comes pre-installed on the iPhone. Mine is here inside this education folder. This is the Measure app. It normally comes pre-installed on the iPhone. So go to the Measure app, and with the Measure app open, tap on level in the bottom menu. Just tap on level, there it is. And then now you can put your phone upright on any surface. Let me just show you this surface, for instance. And on this surface, you can measure whether it's level or not. So you can see this particular one is level because it's 0 degrees. Any tilt to the right or to the left is gonna show that surface is not level. So what you need to do is put your phone straight, okay? And then you can use that to measure as a surface level to measure the flatness of any surface. Thanks for watching and good luck.